Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put apps on full screen on HP Chromebook 14A. And there are two methods of doing that. You can either just open an app and click on this maximize button right here, or if you want to do it a different way, you can simply press on the maximize button on your keyboard. I'm gonna show you that right now. Here is the maximize button. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's there. This fourth button from left on the top row of the keyboard. And this button, you might have noticed that it doesn't just put it on maximized like that, it actually puts it on full screen, which is just a full screen application. You can see now, you don't have this top bar unless you want it, and you don't have this bottom bar unless you want it. And if you want, you can use 4 fingers on your trackpad. No, you cannot actually. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. I thought you could use it like on MacBook, but you can't, so you just need to minimize it if you want to go back, or if you put it on the full screen, which by the way you can also do by hovering over the maximize button for a bit longer and clicking on full. Then if I slide 3 fingers up, I can open another desk, for example, and now let's leave it like that. You can see with 4 fingers I can swipe between this full screen application and my desktop too. And of course on desktop too I could also put something on full screen or not. Let's put Gemini on full screen here, and now you can see I can swipe between the Gemini and the Chrome. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.